Hey everyone, you're watching GetAssist.net and I'm back again with a brand new video where I will be sharing some quick fixes that can help you if you are not able to upload a story on your Instagram account. So this has happened with me as well when I was trying to upload a story and I was not able to do so. So I tried a few fixes and I got it resolved there and then. So if you are interested, make sure you watch the video till the end and now let's get started. Alright, so first things first of all, what you need to do if you are not able to upload a story on Instagram, if you are facing error over and over again, you need to make sure that the internet your device is connected to is giving the required speed. Alright, so your internet must not be very slow, otherwise you won't be able to upload a story or you will get stuck on the upload screen. Alright, so this can happen with you if your internet is very slow. So for that you can even run a speed test on Google if you want. Just type speed test. So just open a browser and simply type in speed test, and here you can just use this button right here that says run speed test, and this will check your internet speed, and if it is showing fine, like more than 5 megabits per second, then it means that internet is not the reason that you are not able to upload your story. All right, so if your internet is working fine, what you can do next is you can still try to switch to cellular data. All right, if you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection, for example here I'm connected to my Wi-Fi connection, but if that is not helping, you can just try switching to your cellular data. Just turn off your Wi-Fi and just turn on your cellular data and see if that helps in uploading the story on Instagram. So that's the second thing that you can do. And apart from that, next thing you can do is you can just go to the settings section of your mobile device and you need to search for the Instagram app. So you can do it from the apps section that is given right here. You can directly use the search box. So that is what I'm going to do. And then what you need to do is under storage section, you will see two options. One is to clear cache at the bottom and the other one is to clear data. So you can use both of these options. All right, so clearing cache will help Instagram give a fresh start. All right, so it will delete all the cookies and cache files that are stored on the Instagram app. So you can try that as well before uploading your story, and then you can see if that helps or not. And if that doesn't help, you can still clear the data of your Instagram app, so that will completely log you out of your Instagram account from that app only. All right, so what you need to do, you just need to remember your password, go back to the Instagram app and simply log into your account, and after that you can see if you are able to upload a story or not. Alright, so if that doesn't help, also make sure that you are using the updated version of Instagram, as Instagram keeps on introducing bug fixes through their updates. Alright, so make sure you are using the latest version. For that, just go to the Play Store and always keep a check if any update is available or not. So as you can see, currently there is no update button. It means the app is already updated. All right, so that's the next thing that you can do. And the last thing you need to do is to check if Instagram is down. As you know that Instagram keeps on going down on several occasions, and that time you cannot do anything on Instagram. So if you are not able to perform any activity on Instagram, it might mean that the app is down itself. All right, so for that, just go to Google or open any browser on your mobile device and simply search for Instagram server status, and here the first website will tell you if Instagram is down or if it is only you who is facing that issue. All right, so here it is clearly written that user reports indicate no current problems at Instagram. It means it is only you who is facing that issue and Instagram is doing fine. All right, so it is not down. If you still have a problem with Instagram, you can just submit this appeal right here. So you can just mention what issue are you facing, select the option you are having issues with the app, feed or website. So you can just mention app and That's all you need to do for submitting a report. Alright, so that's how you can know if Instagram is down. And in case if the Instagram app is down, you need to wait for some hours before you will be able to upload your story again. Alright, so that's all you need to do if you are not able to upload your story on Instagram. That was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. If you still have any doubts, queries, feedback or suggestions for my next videos, do let me know in the comment section down below. You can also visit my website, that is getassist.net, where I post similar content. Thank you for watching.